Wiggles the wobbly walrus finds his balance. Wiggles the walrus loved to play all day long, splashing in the waves, rolling in the sand, and munching on tasty fish. But Wiggles had one big problem. He was always wobbly. He'd trip over his flippers, yawn during games, and show up late for his friends' adventures. One day, his wise old friend, Shelly the seagull, perched beside him. Wiggles, she chirped. Maybe you need a little balance. Balance? Wiggles blinked. How? Shelly smiled. Try eating healthy fish at mealtimes, sleeping when the moon rises, and practicing your flipper flops every morning. So, Wiggles decided to try. He ate just enough fish, no extra snacks, tucked himself in early, and even set a seashell alarm to wake up on time. At first, it was hard. He missed midnight games and gobbling jellyfish treats. But soon, something amazing happened. Wiggles stopped wobbling. He swam faster, played longer, and even won the annual seal slide race. His friends cheered. Wiggles, you're unstoppable. Wiggles grinned. All it took was a little balance. From then on, Wiggles stayed healthy, happy, and right on time, flipper flopping through life with a big, wobbly but steady heart. The end. *Wave sparkles.